Shut up. I'm posting up right now. Alright. Ew. Dude, shut up. Dude, I'm posting up. Ooh, this is so beautiful. This is a little cabin. There's a little cabin. I can kill myself in the fireplace. I'm upset that Call Me Bob puts her name on every stocking, bro. She gonna put her name on every single stocking, but she's not gonna let me have my name on one. You're a greedy witch. You know what? She gave me this game, so I can't be talking. You can talk. I don't care. Little, there's bunk beds and I'm... Okay. Yeah. Shut up. I'm in the... So I'm like in this like beautiful private server that my friend bought. No one knows who you are. So I'm just gonna go up the hill. Shut up. I'm just gonna go up the hill. Ooh. Yeah, and I'm offended. Okay, so there's little sleighs up here, and this like radical, so I'm gonna go on one and kill myself. Oh my god, my weave. I am the girl Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer because you know I'm better than you. Let's just take a minute to admire how beautiful my character is. Let me zoom. You can't even see me, rat! Oh my god, I actually like, hey. Don't subscribe. Yeah, don't subscribe to me. I don't deserve it.
Yeah, her name is Halo.
Don't prescribe pills to someone who doesn't need it.
She realized we were neighbors. She came knocking on my door.
Yeah. Okay, because you can't play Roblox, correct?
She's ignored me every day.
That's because she's attracted to money and she thinks you have lots of it.
Don't be loud.
No.
Dude, don't be loud and don't curse.
She doesn't really care.
You're about to be on speakerphone, so say what you want to say now.
Enjoy your day with Halo.
Oh my god. Okay. Don't be loud. I'm like hanging up on you. Okay. Dude, shut up. You're on speakerphone.
Okay.
Dude, you're being too loud.
Okay.
Yeah, the water's frozen? That's stupid. I don't understand. Okay, but let's just be real. My character is so cute. This is only the lobby. We're just getting started. I don't know. I ain't even shown you the whole thing yet. I haven't even shown you the whole thing yet. Look, there's, oh my god, ew. There's like, the fountain is like, poopy full. I've only been recording for 4 minutes. Okay. So, there's a very spoopy snowman. Yeah, it's so scary. The fountain is just like beautiful. I only want diamonds. I'm not buying anything because again, I don't have time for that, and it'll be winter for the rest of winter. So I have a long time. The cheerleaders are dressed up differently. For the first time in forever. Literally for the first time ever. I'm literally twinning with one of them, except for I look better.
I got a bacon and I put it in a pancake.
I make a bacon and I put it in a pancake. I was stuck in a bush for a second. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Mr. Fox is so deep. He said, what's the point of life?
Me. It's to make babies and then die. The point of life is to make babies and then die. You either kill yourself or get killed. What you gonna do? It's true.
I'm just gonna recommend the hot chocolate at Dunkin' Donuts. It's really good. Not like.
Why are you recommending the hot chocolate at Dunkin' Donuts?
Oh, that's what a friend of mine said. Her name was Scary Maddie.
Oh, I thought you were like talking to me. I was gonna say what?
Oh, okay.
There's like the carriage with the weird cat dog things is cool too. It's like it's all winterized.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I saw that. Ew. How many did you make? I don't know, just literally give me them all. The castle isn't Christmas. That's some dookie! The castle isn't Christmas themed. I have to step away from the comparator for a second, but I'm taking this on with me.
Play your way through thousands of challenging puzzles. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download Best Beats for free today.
Chicken nuggets. Slime to the DMs was good. Okay, I'm back. My foot's stuck in the ground. I'm upset that the castle isn't Christmasized yet.
You just put a bacon in a pancake.
I'll make a bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Ay. So let me just should I go back to, hold on, I'm gonna do some Royal High experimenting. So we are going to leave Royal High. Oh god, is Meep City updated?
If it is, that's bullcrap.
Honestly, screw you, Alex. You don't know who Alex is? Then you're irrelevant.
Who, me?
No, literally anyone.
Literally.
Meep City needs to be updated.
Meep City sucks, so I don't think so.
Yeah, Meep City's really bad.
I don't play Meep City, so
Meep City. Oh, I can't say it.
Meep City.
Meep City itch. Meep City itch.
Meep City.
Yes, it's still the same crappy game. It's literally not even fall. It's literally December. And that's winter. Yeah, I said that. What's up? Meep City just looks so stupid. It's so ugly. It's so crusty and disgusting. It's so ugly. Look at Meep City. It's ugly. Look over there. It's an ugly rat. Oh my god, I got stuck in the water. You know what? I'm leaving. Meep City sucks. It's funny how people just bang their head on their computer and that's how they make a Roblox username. Whoa! What just happened to my voice? I'm gonna go into a regular, Royal High server. Cause I want to.
Alright, go ahead, I don't care.
Breathing. Oh god, I hate myself. Oh no, everyone here is so ugly compared to me. And I can't even see anyone, I already know it. Whoa! Is my mouse working? My mouse is working!
Congratulations.
Okay, so I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. I'm gonna make marshmallow flavored. No, I'm gonna make chocolate mint flavored.
Oh my god, I'm so mad!
Oh yeah, she can't play.
Suck my dick.
Whipped cream. Dude, shut up.
I don't care. I just need to get that out.
Oh my god. Can't be on speakerphone anymore. My family's here. My holy child grandma's here. Yeah, my grandma's younger than me, if you didn't know. JK. What? Okay, so whipped cream in my hot chocolate. Yes, please. Yes, please. Ooh, that looks so cool. Marshmallows. Yes, please. I probably didn't see that. Candy cane. Yes, please. Cookie straw. Yes, please. I've never even had a cookie straw. I don't know what it is. It's a straw made out of cookies. I really want to try it because it sounds like you could drink milk with a cookie straw.
Oh my god, Royal High looks so cool.
How do you know?
Because I'm looking at it on Twitter.
No, stop. You're gonna look at my video.
Well, suck my turtle.
Dude, you need to stop.
I
Where's
don't
Dr. Phil?
care.
Where's Dr. Phil? My family is trying to walk. Never mind. I don't know how to speak English. Sorry. Okay, so I got my hoot chocolate. Ooh, I just shoved my face in it. Mood. I'm gonna shove my face in it because, you know, that's everyone's mood. So, I'm just gonna, like, drink it. Yas! Yas! Merry holidays, because not everyone celebrates Christmas. Because, you know, I'm nice. I'm not the person in chat who just said, Merry Christmas! No, not everyone celebrates Christmas. Personally, I celebrate Christmas, because Christmas is the best, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, nothing I'm not gonna say, because it's mean. There's an igloo. Did you see the fountain?
No, maybe so.
Don't, stop looking.
I didn't look.
Okay, shut up. Ew, what's happening? Hey, you like my character?
Is the reason why you stayed home is because you got to play Roblox and computer all day?
No. I didn't want to go because I don't want to go on the bus.
They weren't even going on the bus.
Well, I don't care. Suzuki. No, well then yes. Oh God. They're not going on the bus, yes. What is that? Ew, what is that? Hold on, there's something floating in the sky. Oh. She messed up the game. Call Me Bob messed up the game. I see, on top of the pet shop, I see these weird earmuff looking things, a hood, and a black cape. Ooh, hashtag this might be in Royal High. What? Ooh, this might be in Royal High. I'm smart, I figured it out. Or I saw it. Hashtag, did this turn into a leak video? No. But this looks like a hood and some weird earmuff thingies, and there's like a black cape. Okay, it's really cool. It looks fluffy. It also looks spiky at the same time. I don't want to touch it. Someone in chat just said, Juan, why did you stop playing Fortnite? I hate Fortnite. Ew, why are you... You know what? I don't have a thing against bald people. This fountain is like beautiful. Like, it's the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
There's a lot to look at.
Look at it.
You're actually retarded. I'm going to watch the same.
Oh, look at her boots. Oh, those boots are so cute. I want to buy them. I saw someone with the new, like, thigh-high boots that I can't afford. I want them so bad. My rec time is literally up in like 2 seconds. Oh my god. Well, all of you wieners should go in the ride. Yeah. Why am I calling people wieners? That's not nice. Oh my god, this is so laggy.
Oh my god, same.
How is it laggy? How's it laggy for you? Explain. You know what? I'm gonna go into my favorite place of this whole entire new thing. The cabin. Well, my time's up. Like, literally, it's up in 2 seconds. Oh my god, why is everyone way more cuter than me? Why does everyone have the boots except for me?